To my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought in another update regarding PhD admission in IIT. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe the channel. So IIT Kharagpur has given the notification for PhD admission for July session. This is information browser where you will got every detail. So first we are going to see what are the important dates. The important dates are the online application has already started from March 30, 2021. The last date for online application is April 10, 2021. Last date for receipt of hard copy of completed application for PhD through project category only at the academic section April 26, 2021. The test and interview will be conducted on 20 May to 30 May 2021 and the date of admission will be taken in the first week of July 2021. These are the instructions. Fill in online application form. First you have to do registration. From that you will get user ID and password. From that you log in and fill the application form. After that make payment and submit the application form. And if you are applying through project category, then you have to send the application form also to IIT Kharagpur campus. Now we are going to see what are the different departments, what are the eligibility criteria, and what are the fees they are taking for application. That thing we are going to see here. These are the various department: aerospace, agriculture and food engineering, architecture and regional planning, biotech, chemical engineering, chemistry, civil, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and electrical communication engineering, geology and geophysics, then humanity and social sciences, industrial and system engineering, mathematics, mechanical, metallurgical and material engineering, mining engineering, ocean engineering and naval architecture, then physics. These are the different center where you can do your research work. These are the different schools. Now regarding eligibility criteria, this 3.1 section are saying that all candidates seeking admission to PhD program under the category mentioned below shall have to possess requisite marks and grades in the qualifying degree as shown below. Minimum of 60% or CGPA of 6.5 in 10 scale in the qualifying examination in engineering, science or commerce or management or law. It means that you must have your masters with 6.5 CGPA or 60% marks, or minimum of this is for engineering, science, commerce, management and law. And in humanity and social sciences, if your masters with humanities or social sciences or MBBS degree if you have or equivalent, then in that you must have 55% marks or 6 point CGPA. The minimum qualifying degree required for seeking admission to PhD program, MTech, MS or ME or MSc engineering, or MArch or Master of City Planning or Master of Regional Planning, or MPhil 2-year program, MBA or PG diploma in management of 2-year duration after completion of BTech or MSc or MA or MCom, LLM 2-year program after either at least 5 years of integrated LLB degree after 10+2 examination, or 3-year LLB degree after 10+2 plus 3 examination, a degree equivalent to any of the above. Or if you want to apply after bachelor's, then these are the minimum eligibility criteria. Means you must have BTech or BE engineering, BSc engineering, BArch, MSc, Master of Science or MA, MPhil 1-year program, MBA, PG diploma in management of 2 years program, MBBS degree with compulsory 1-year internship, 5 years of integrated LLB degree after 10+2 examination, or 3-year LLB degree, 3-year LLB degree after 10+2 plus 3 examination. Additional requirement: for admission under different category. Like if you are applying under regular with institute assistantship, then you must have get a score, valid get a score, taken admission during MTech or MCP admission in the particular year, or net qualification with assistant professorship for the award of institute research assistantship for admission to PhD program. The validity of net qualification with assistant professorship is for 3 years from the date of declaration of net results. If a person who is in employment and is applying for institute assistantship and is selected for admission, he must resign and produce the acceptance of resignation by the employer at the time of joining, or produce a document that he or she not receiving any salary from his or her employer along with proper document of sanctioned leave. Means if you are doing job and applying in this category, means with institute assistantship, then you must have submit your resignation during the document verification. These are the assistantship you will got for 5 years, 31,000 for first 2 year, and next 3 year 35,000. No research student shall be permitted to receive any emolument, salary, stipend, or any other scholarship or assistantship during the tenure of institute research assistantship. It means that since you will got the assistantship from college, then from extra from other resources you can't get any scholarship or salary or a stipend like that. Next one, individual fellowship. It is for CSIR or EGC or DBT or ICAR or Inspire, etc. All category applying for individual category must have valid award letter with fellowship issued by respective funding agency like CSIR, UGC, DST, DBT, ICMR or etc. If these all agencies will provide you the fellowship, then you must have valid award letter that this agency will provide me the fellowship during my PhD. Candidate admitted under individual fellowship category shall not be entitled for institute research assistantship. Since you will got your fellowship from this agency, so in that case the institute will not provide you any institute research assistantship. Candidate having provisional individual fellowship award letter must give an undertaking that in case of cancellation or withdrawal of provisional award of fellowship by the funding agency, the admission at IIT Kharagpur will be cancelled from the date of joining the PhD program, and there is no liability on the part of IIT Kharagpur in this regard. It means that if you are not providing valid award letter, means you are like provisional certificate, you are providing them provisional individual fellowship award letter, then you must have to submit original, and in the case of cancellation or withdrawal of a provisional award of fellowship, your admission will be cancelled. Next one, sponsored. In this case, if you are working in any from last 2 years in any defense or other ministry of government of India or any other government organization, or established industrial research and development organization or autonomous bodies and public undertaking or university or college or reputed industry as may be recognized by the institute, then they will sponsor you to do PhD from IIT Kharagpur, and they will provide you this salary in that period during your PhD, and you must have submit one NOC come a sponsorship certificate during document verification. Next one, PhD through project. Person who purchase the minimum prescribed qualification as mentioned in 3.2a or 3.2b and are working in a sponsored project of the institute. Means any project, if in any project of IIT Kharagpur if you are working, then you can apply for PhD if you are fulfilling the minimum eligibility criteria. An intending candidate must submit his or her application in the prescribed form for admission through principal, investigator, HOD or center or school and dean with suitable endorsement. The minimum remaining period of project as well as tenure of the project employee should be at least 2 years from the date of joining. But the main issue is that your project duration must be 2 years from the date of admission. Means the tenure to complete your project will be 2 years. And if you are BTech from IIT, then BTech degree and dual degree holder having final CGPA greater or equal 8 from Indian Institute of Technology will be given direct admission in PhD program with Institute Research Assistantship. Means if you have BTech degree and or dual degree and your CGPA is greater or equal 8, then you will be given direct admission in PhD program with Institute Research Assistantship. And next category, these all are different category, and this is from if you are a BTech from IIT, then you can apply in direct mode and you will be get assistantship also. PhD program for working professional with minimum residential requirement. Means this is like part-time PhD, you can say. The candidate must meet the following criteria to be shortlisted for interview and test. She should have at least BTech, BE, BBS, MSc degree from a reputed education with minimum CGPA of 7.5 in 10-point scale or 70% of marks in bachelor as well as master. However, any conversion of CGPA to meet this criterion will not be permitted. 2 year post qualification experience must. Candidate need to provide NOC certificate from their company starting it has no issue with the candidate pursuing PhD under proposed scheme. PhD program for working professional with minimum residential requirement. No commitment of financial support or continuation of their employment during or after the PhD is required. There is no provision of any financial assistance. Detailed guidelines are available at the appendix 2. Next one, department center or a school may fix additional admission criteria without compromising the eligibility criteria mentioned above. Means individual departments can fix other criteria also if sufficient number of publication they have received. Mere fulfillment of eligibility criteria doesn't guarantee admission to PhD program. If you are fulfilling all the eligibility criteria, it doesn't guarantee that you will get the admission. Any document will be considered as valid if that is valid on or after the date of admission. And the decision of IIT Kharagpur regarding determination of equivalent degree is final and binding to all applicants. Selection and admission. This is by overall academic performance, written computer test or interview. Payment of fees and deposits, these all are will be taken. They have said. Enrollment and coursework, these are all things you can study by taking a screenshot also. Registration, seminar and synopsis, thesis and defense, award of degree. These all are the different certificate format they have given. You must have to fill this form and submit during document verification or during interview. They have given these all things. Duration of program, it is minimum 3 years and maximum 8 years. Annual progress report you have to submit for the revision of a stipend. Fees, the PhD the tuition fee for this program will be 25,000 per semester and it may revise from time to time. There is no provision of a scholarship or fellowship for the prospective PhD candidates. So that's all about this advertisement of PhD admission of IIT Kharagpur. So if you have liked the video, then share with your friends also who want to take PhD admission in IIT, and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.